Sanibona bafethu uvana lo seyigame elandelayo iOrlando Pirates bawudlala against iChipo United. Bawudlala kephi na? Orlando Stadium. So besiyihosta ke iChipo United. Asiqala ukudlala nayo kule season. Sesadlala nabo. So siyodlala nabo okwesibili manje kwi-league. So njengoba siyodlala nabo siyawudinga u3 points. Kumele siyi-maintain leya league leya. Kumele siyithophe i-league. Siyawudinga u3 points. Le game ibipostpone bemile idlale ngeweekend so izodlala ngolesibili ngo7:30. Mungenale ticket ambolithenga. Kodwa ke ngizoshaya i-lineup prediction eyami nana ungayigxeki. Ungitshele wena yakho kuma comments uthi thini but ke nayi eyami. So ebhalini angifuni ukulo ngiyalina le. Angifuni ukulo ngiyalina le. Nyalazo udaba. Sipho Chain is the goalkeeper ozosiqalela against iChipo United. Sebadinga wonke ama players ethu ukuthi adlale. Khumbulani kuyodlalwa iAFCON. So abajida kumele sibafake more often khona bezoba ready for iAFCON. So ngamqalisa uSipho Chain le game against iChipo United. Wena ungangitshela ungaqalisa ba. Mase kuthi kuma center backs. Kuma center backs ngaqalisa bane? Ngaqalisa uSibisi benosiyema. Sibisi and Siema will start them against iChipo United. You saw the news regarding Umbekezeli Mbokazi. Asazi noma umjito uzobe khona noma ngiyazi abe khona. So angifuni ukulo ngiyalina le. Ngizoqalisa bani? uSibisi benosiyema. We saw them playing. I think last game yethu ngosikade dlale Golden Arrows. Yes, dlale Golden Arrows waqala uMbokazi. Not Umbokazi per se but uSibisi benosiyema. So I think the coach was trying them out to see ukuthi bona bazodlala kanjani yebo. I think vele sasezaziwe indaba at the back office ukuthi uMbokazi ngiyenzeka ahambe. So naye ke i-center back pairing so far engasebenzela uSibisi benosiyema. But you can tell me in the comments who do you prefer. I saw Unda training with the team. I think Unda uzobe khona, uzobe available. Mase kuthi kuma wing backs I saw Undaba is slowly gaining momentum in that position. Njoba nje gaining momentum, we must introduce him yabo, introduce nje more often ukuze ezokwazi ukumaintaina leya position, akwazi ukuthi abe stable lapha yabo, ehlise nje ama mistakes kancane uzokwazi ukuthi abe stable leya position. Mase ngidlalisa bala ka right wing back, ngidlalise bane ngadlalisa nomjito lebitho. So iyona ke back four le engakwazi ukuthi sinqobe ngayo against iChipo United. Phela khumbulani iChipo akusiyona team eyaye isinikeze ama issues. So siyawudinga u3 points. Sikhumbule ukuthi sidlalelo 3 points la, asidlaleli noma yini, asidlaleli i-cup game yabo. Singalweli ukuthi siye kwi-draw nale team because asidlaleli i-cup game sidinga 3 points. After 90 minutes game iphelile kundilile. So 1 point lapha sidingi lonto, sidinga 3 points kule game le. So yona back four le esizokwazi ukuthi sibashaye ngayo yabo. Masukuthi eswing I saw Makhehleni Makhawula ejima yabo. Kungijabulise kakhulu ukumbona Makhehleni Makhawula. So ngingamqalisa mina kule game against iChipo United. Last game ngosikhathi siyodlala against iRichards Bay bengitshotha umjita sizombona, but ke kwenzeka ke singambonanga. Mina ke kule game le esiyidlala nje ngingamqalisa. I will start Makhehleni Makhawula against iChipo United. Umjita kade ahlala mfethu yabo. Ever since last season ingakaphilisha ukuphela last season umjita elimele. So ngingamqalisa mina yabo. But ke wena ungangitshela ukuthi would you start to Talent Mbatha in that number 6 position again, or would you risk a rusty Makhehleni Makhawula against iChipo United? I think mina risking Makhehleni Makhawula might be a better option right now yabo. I saw uSihle Nduli futhi ngiyibonile indaba kuthiwa naye ngenzeka abuye. So you never know. So ngamqalisa mina lapha as number 6 umjita. Mase kuthi phambi kwakhe ama midfielders azodlala phambi kwakhe. Mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangasho ukuthi avani waqalisa labathi, but mfethu baya connect. I know coach he's not a fan, but at some point kumele abone yabo. Ungabathanda abadlala egroundini, ungabathanda njalo abadlala ejimini, but egroundini as ama fans thina sifuna ukubona into siyibona egroundini ayifani nento ebona ucoach ejimini. Ucoach akabona something else ejimini, but mase kufika egroundini abadlala abakhonzile bamdlalele into engadlali kahle, engekho right. So mase thina kudlalwa sifuna ukubona abadlala abajwayele ukusiperformela kamnandi yabo. You cannot compare a practice and a real match. A real match, it is where you see your players play. You cannot compare the two. yabo coach bamanje banaleyo mentality ukuthi I like this player because he performs well in the training. No, it doesn't work like that. You cannot compare practice and the real game, yabo. So I'll start Talent Mbatha and Usipho Mbule. These are the players I'll start lapha eswini. Masukuthi ngama wingers Tshepang Moremi and Osina Police. I don't want to explain a lot. These two, I'll start them. There's an issue regarding Tshepang Moremi kumele ayifixe. Yabo kuma big games kumele umjida akwazi ukuthi yabo aphamise amasukisi kancane, but yena he's a very dangerous player. Many teams angazi noma hamboni noTshepang Moremi ukuthi uyi-threat. Lo mjida lo is very dangerous. He is very dangerous and he is very underrated. Abantu abaningi abamnaki. But once wakhatha in akumele umvumela akhathe in because uzokhahlela and lile angqwene ethi I really like this player. Yabo kumele nje akwazi ukustep up kuma big games. Ilapho khona ke sisodla kakhulu because Osina Police, you don't need to ask Osina Police ukuthi enze leyo nto, uyamazi Osina Police. He delivers each and every game. So ngabaqalisa lawajita as ama wingers kule game le esizoyidlala against iChippa United. Wena wangitshela usungaqalisa ba, yabo iyona ke lineup yami so far le, u4 at the back, ubuSiyema, uSibisi, ubulomjida lo Lebitso with uNdaba, yabo Makhehleni Makhawula, uMbatha with uSipho Mbule, masekuba uMoremi, masekuba ubani Osina Police. Striker Sam Yanela Mputhuma wafethu yena ozobe striker. Yabo bengingathanda ukumbona kule list yabadlali bebafana kuma strikers, but ke nyamazi ngo pros, but ke izona striker lese ngasiqalisa against iChippa United. You can tell me in the comments, how do you feel about this lineup? Do you think Lenala play ingawazi ukusitholela 3 points? Yabo front three it's a very deadly front three because these players bazokwazi ukuthi basupply for uYanela Mputhuma, same as ubani uTalent Mbatha benosipho Mbulu, bazokwazi ukuthi basupplyele lena uYanela Mputhuma. Yabo I saw a very skillful pass from uSipho Mbulu against iZambia. He was very good uSipho Mbulu against iZambia, so I expect him to connect with lo mjida lo uTshepang Moremi, yabo. So iyona ke lineup mina engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba bafethu. You can tell me in the comments ithini yakho, ungayixeke yami, but what is your lineup?